Good morning students. Today we are going to start a session 2. The topic of the session 2 is cement. So the main constituents or the main ingredient of concrete. We are going to learn in depth of cement and their properties and how the cement can be used and which type of cements are there. What is the method of using this cement we are going to learn. So in cement session 2 contents are cement ingredients. So method, introduction to cement. Cement is a fine mineral powder manufactured with very precise process mixed with water. The powder transforms into paste that binds and hardens when submerged in water. Because the composition of fineness of powder may vary, cement has different properties depending upon its makeup. Cement is mainly used as a binder in concrete, which is a basic material for all types of constructions, including housing, roads, schools, hospitals, dams, ports, as well as the decorative applications for flooring, driveways, pools, decks. So whatever we are going to construct, that is based on main ingredient of the cement. Cement is a binding material used in the construction. So we are not imagine modern construction without a cement. So generally it is the main form of bond between aggregates and the cement. So cement and aggregates together forms a dense and strong concrete mix. Cement has invented by Joseph Addison. So the normal cement is called Portland cement because when the cement hardens, it looks like a hard stone available in Portland in England. So in India, Portland cement has first manufactured in 1904 near Chennai. So components of Portland cement. So basic chemical components are and typical raw materials. So what is the basic chemical components are there in a Portland cement? So generally we are going to talk about Portland cement. That's why we are just taking the components of Portland cement. So generally calcium is calcium in the raw material as limestone CaCO3. So silica, and it is in a sand SiO2, aluminium, shale, clay and everything. Iron ores, iron and mill scale, we are going to have a typical raw materials in Portland cement. So the chemical compositions of OPC are with the percentage of calcium oxide 60 to 67, SiO2 17 to 25, Al2O3 is 3 to 8, Fe2O3 is 0.5 to 6 percentage, magnesium oxide is 0.1 to 4 percentage, it's very less, and alkalines are salt contents are 0.4 to 1.3 and sodium content as 1.3 to 3%. So functions of cement ingredients are lime, which is already been discussed. So lime is a calcium oxides and calcium hydroxides. Presence of lime in a sufficient quantity is required to form silicate and aluminate of calcium. So deficiency in lime reduces the strength of cement. Deficiency in lime causes cement to set quickly, so which causes quick setting of cement. So excess lime makes cement unsound, means it is like a hollow, gaps will be more, where we can see like the strength of the cement, the strength of the block which we have prepared is having lesser strength, will not be have higher validation period. So excessive presence of lime causes cement to expand and disintegrate. So silica, what is the silica oxide, dioxide, and what is the sufficient? So it imparts the strength to the cement and should not present to the extent of 30% in the cement. So alumina, if you take, what is it imparts quick setting properties to the cement. It generally gives a higher setting properties, and clinker temperature lowers and requires the quantity of alumina. So excess alumina weakens the cement. So whatever the constituent is there, whatever the component is there, which should be in a limited range and should not exceed or should not decrease, so that the strength of the it may have an impact on the strength of the concrete. So magnesia, what is the use of the magnesia? It should be present more than 2%. It should not be. So because it's very less, when you take the components of the cement, it is like 1. So it should not be greater than 2%, which reduce the strength of the cement. The main component of the cement is to increase the strength, and which will reduce the strength of the cement. So iron oxides, it acts as a flux. Flux means which bonds with the aggregate or with the any of the material which you are using in a concrete. So calcium sulfate. So calcium sulfate is used to slow down or retarding the setting action of cement. So if you need more time to set off the concrete or set off the cement, we used to use this calcium sulfate to extend or retard the setting action of the cement. So sulfur trioxide, this is used to increase like unsound if it is used to for excess of sulfur oxide. Alkaline should not be more than 1%. Certain salt content can be accepted, which excess will give the efflorescence in the concrete. Thank you.